understanding, made up, an English phrase explained. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a really interesting topic for you. We're going to be talking about the phrase, made up. This is a phrase that you'll hear quite often in English, and it has a few different meanings depending on the context. So, grab a notebook, and let's dive in together to understand what made up really means. When made up is used as an adjective, it can have a couple of different meanings. 1.1 Fabricated or not true. Firstly, made up can mean that something is fabricated or not true. For example, if someone tells a story that isn't based on real events, you could say, that story is made up. Here, made up highlights that the story is a creation of someone's imagination and does not represent actual facts. 1.2 Applied cosmetics. Secondly, made up can refer to someone wearing cosmetics. If someone has applied makeup to their face, you can say they are made up. For example, she was all made up for the party. Here, made up indicates that the person has applied makeup to enhance or change their appearance. Made up can also be used as a verb phrase, and it has different meanings in this context as well. 2.1 To compensate. One meaning is to compensate for something lost or missed. For example, I missed the meeting yesterday, but I'll make it up to you by taking extra responsibility today. Here, make up means to compensate for the missed meeting by doing something extra. 2.2 To reconcile. Another meaning is to reconcile after a disagreement or fight. For example, they had a big fight but they made up in the end. In this sentence, made up indicates that the individuals resolved their differences and restored their relationship. 2.3 To invent or create. Made up can also mean to invent a story or idea. This is similar to the first meaning in the adjective form. For example, he made up a story about traveling to the moon. Here, made up indicates that the story is a product of the person's imagination. And there you have it, folks. The phrase, made up, is quite versatile in English, and understanding its meaning depends largely on the context in which it's used. We hope this video has helped clarify the different ways you can use and understand made up. Don't forget to practice using it in different contexts to really master its usage. Thanks for watching, and keep learning.